Good day, welcome to today's class. Today we'll be looking at another aspect in chemistry, which is reduction, oxidation reduction. So oxidation reduction reaction, which is also known as redox reaction. So I've been able to write out the 10 steps we'll be needing to solve easily, or to be able to do this easily, so that just to save our time. And these are the 10 steps we'll be using to solve to acidic medium and basic medium. So when I have my equation like this, I have my chromium 207 2 minus plus Fe 2 plus to give me Cr 3 plus Fe 3 plus. The first step from what we are given is to split into half reactions. So by splitting this into half reactions, so I have something like this. Sorry for this. Cr3 plus. I should have this to be my reduction. Yes, reduction, because I have lost my oxygen. My oxygen was 7. I don't have oxygen here. Fe2 plus Fe3 plus. I have this with my oxidation, since the reduction cannot operate twice. So I have it with my oxidation. Look at it, plus 2 here to plus 3. Now to move on, the next one says balance elements beside O and H. Balance O with water, balance H with hydrogen ion. So I should have my water here. So how many hydrogen do I have? How many oxygen do I have? 7 oxygen. So that means I'm going to balance this base 7 molecules of water. That's what I've done there. Now I'm supposed to the next thing I'm supposed to do here is now after balancing this one with water, 7 molecules of water, you notice that you have 14 hydrogen ions. So that means you have plus 14 hydrogen plus. That balances it that way. So if you look at it, you have 14 here, 14 hydrogen, 7 oxygen, 7 oxygen. Now you can also, okay, before we even move to molecularly, and then here I have here there's no need for me to balance anything here. The reason is because there is no oxygen, there is no hydrogen, so I leave this one that way. Now I need to also balance molecularly. Make sure that they are both balanced in the molecular way. We have 2 chromium and we have 1 chromium, so let me put 2 here, so now they're both balanced. This is balanced molecularly. Now the next step is to balance charge with E, appropriate number of protons. To balance this place with appropriate number of protons, since I have Cr207 2 minus plus 14H plus 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. Now to balance this, you realize that I have 6 ions here and I have 12 ions. So I have to balance. I have to make sure that at the end of the day I'll be having 6 C's in both places, because this ion minus 2 plus 14 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6. So I need to make sure that I have the same number of charges in both places. If I put 6 E minus there, it means that 6 minus 6 will be 0, and this one will still be 12. So that will not make sense. So let me add appropriate number. If I should add 6E minus here, that will be minus 2 plus 14, 12. 12 minus 6, 6. And this one is also 6. So it's balanced ionically that way. To balance this one, so I have my Fe2 plus Fe3 plus. So where am I going to put my E minus? I'm going to put my E minus in where it has more positive charges, and this is a place that carry more positive charges. How many am I going to add? So I just want the both of them can be the same. I'm going to add just 1 E minus. So 3 minus 1 is 2, and this is also 2. So it's balanced that way. So the next one is now match numbers of electrons. Match numbers of electrons just simply means cross multiply. So when you cross multiply this side, you have 1 here, So this one you are multiplying everything here with 1. You have how many here? 6. You are multiplying everything here with 6 by 6. So if I should, sorry, okay, you are multiplying everything here by 6. So if I should do that, I'll be having CR2 2 minus plus 14H plus 6E minus to give me 2CR3 plus 7H2O. Now this one will give me 6Fe2 plus to give me F6Fe3 plus 6E minus. I can cancel the charges together. Sorry, I can cancel the charges together. Now cancel that. Now the next line on the agenda is to combine half reactions. That means I'm to add all the reactant side together and all the product side together. So by doing that, see my reactant side here. I'll add it together. See my product side here. I will simply add that one two together. So I have CR2 minus plus 14H plus 6 to give me 2CR3 plus 7H2O plus 6Fe3 plus. Now we can leave our answer this way because assuming we wanted to break it down, we cannot divide anything by this. There is no common factor here, so we have to leave everything this way. So now let's cross check if it's correct. 2 chromium, correct. How many oxygen? 7 oxygen. 7 oxygen, correct. I'm balancing molecularly now. 14 hydrogen, correct. 6 iron, 6 molecules of iron, correct. Now let us balance ionical. Now let's check whether it's balanced ionical. This is minus 2 plus 14. That is 12. 12. Okay, 6 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 12, that is 24. This is 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 3, 18. 18 plus 6, under 24. So it is balanced ionical. So we have been able to do this in the acid form. We have balanced this by acid in acid method. So now doing basic method, for the basic method to balance in the basic method, we also have how we are going to do this. We add hydroxide to both sides. Adding hydroxide to both sides. By adding hydroxide to both sides, let's simply write everything out again the way it has been. Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus 6Fe2 plus to give me 2Cr3 plus 7H2O plus 6Fe3 plus. So now let's see this. So we have to add hydroxide, or what are we supposed to add? We have to add hydroxide to both. Hydroxide we have OH minus. So how many water do I have? How many hydrogen do I have? I have 14. So let me just add 14 OH minus. How many do I have also? Okay, so it's going to be 14 because I've added 14 to that place. 14 OH minus also. So the next step is to combine protons and hydroxides. Combine proton. This is a proton, this is the hydroxide. There's no other proton. This is the proton here. So we combine protons and hydroxide together. By combining protons and hydroxide together, we'll be having so this is my proton and this is my hydroxide. So I'm combining these two together. When I combine these two together, what will it give me? 14H plus 14OH plus 14 OH minus. It will give me so my 14H plus 14 OH minus will give me 14H2O. Yes, 14H2O. So let me have Cl2O7 2 minus plus 14H2O. Yes, because if I do this, this is 14 plus 14, that is 24. It means that I have 24 hydrogen and I have 14 oxygen. So if I do this, you can see it's still 14 oxygen and 24, sorry, 24, 28. This 28 hydrogen, and then 14 times 2 is also 28, so it's still correct this way. Plus 6Fe 2 plus. Now to give me 2Cr3 plus 7H2O plus 6Fe3 plus 14OH minus. So from what we have gotten here now, we have to cancel water if possible. If it is possible, let us cancel out the water. Cancel water if possible. This is water here, and this is also water here. So what we're supposed to do is to cancel this out if there's any possibility of us cancelling that. So I can cancel out this water here. Yes, you know I have 7 oxygen here and I have 14 hydrogen. So I'm to cancel 7 from here, it will remain 7. So this one will remain 7H2O. If I'm not wrong, this one will remain 7H2O here. So I have my Cr2O7 minus plus 7H2O plus 6Fe2 plus 2Cr3 plus 6Fe3 plus 14OH minus. Cross check if it's correct in the basic form. We have 14 hydrogen, 7 oxygen here, plus another 7 oxygen, make it 14. This is 14 oxygen. So if you check every other thing, it is correct. In the basic form, it is also correct. And so this is how we do something like it. Thank you very much for tuning in today and joining today's class. I will encourage you to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and then if you have any question or any comment, you can put it in the comment section below. And in the next class we'll look at other examples also, apart from this one we've just done. Look at another example that we can do. Stay blessed. God bless you.